In this video, I will show you how to do keyword research for Etsy. So I'll show you how you can find keywords where basically the demand for a specific product exceeds the supplies. So there are not a lot of listings for that specific keyword, but there are a lot of people searching for that and buying it. So in order to find keywords just like that, you want to use this tool called ERank. So this is a completely free tool to use. By the way, if you want to get started with ERank completely for free, I'll leave a link to them down in the description. Now here, get started for free by entering your name, email and password. Then click on create account. Now you need to confirm your email. So then after you confirm your email, it will say your account has been successfully activated. Then click continue to log in and simply use your email and password you just used to create your account and then click login. So then you will be taken to ERank right here. So first you need to take a moment to complete a short survey. So in which marketplace do you sell? Here select Etsy. Then if not listed above, please specify. Now you don't need to do this. Now click submit right here. So now you will see it will say Etsy right here. If it says something else, just click on the drop down and select Etsy. And now here you can choose a region that you are selling in. So you can choose any of these. I will select the USA. And now what you can do is connect your shop. Go to your dashboard, do keyword research or do any of the other things right here. So what we want to do is do keyword research. So let's click keyword research right there. And now here it will open up the keyword tool. So you can see this is an all-in-one tool to conduct keyword research on Etsy. So what you need to do first is enter a general keyword. If I enter, for example, template right here and click on search, you will now see the average searches for this keyword. So this is the average monthly searches, which in the USA for this keyword is 19,000, and the average clicks, click-through rate. And as you can see, the competition is a red bar right here, so this is not a good keyword. So here you can see the trend for this specific keyword. So you can see recently it's been down a bit, so this will probably not be a great keyword to try. Now what I like to do is go to the keyword IDs right here. So right here, how you can use this is you can see the Etsy competition and the average searches, clicks and CTR. So what I like to do is look at the average clicks and the Etsy competition. So you can filter by any of these. So this is the highest competition, this is the lowest. What I like to do though is to filter by the average searches. So I'm just going to go back here, and usually it will filter by the average searches. So here, in order to see the exact amount of searches that each of these keywords has, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. And if you're wondering how much this costs, it will be between $6 and $30 per month. So for now, I will just use the free plan, but one of these paid plans can definitely be worth it for you. So now you can see a couple of template ideas right here, and you can add more rows. So I'll select all right here. And now you see Notion template has a pretty good score right here in terms of competition, but this one right here has even less. So this is a one note template. So now what I like to do is to actually search for this on Etsy. So right here you will see one note template. And now you can see a couple of listings for this right here. So you can see there are over 1,000 results, and you can see those right here. So these do look pretty good, but not all of these match up. For example, this one right here is a task priority tracker. Now these ones are ads, so you can also skip these. But for example, this one right here is a one-note planner for work. So this should be a pretty good keyword to actually rank for if you create a good looking listing. That's pretty much the most important part. You want to create a listing that looks very good, and you want your product to also be good so that over time you will get a lot of 5-star reviews, and then you will be pushed to the top of this list. So basically in ERank right here, you want to find keywords that have very low competition. So for example, this one right here has only 28, although now we cannot see the exact search trend, average searches, etc. So you do want to upgrade to a paid plan if you actually want to do the perfect keyword research, because then you can find keywords with a lot of search volume and very low competition. But if we just check this one out right here, which is itinerary template, I will open up Etsy and just search for this keyword right now. So you can see right here that there are a couple of these templates. So for example, this one right here, travel itinerary template. And this should be a really easy keyword to then rank for to actually grow your shop and build up some authority. So when you are just starting out, you want to find some of these really low competition keywords. You don't even need to look at the competition that much, but for example, Kajabi template could be a good one, only 300 competition. And what that means is that there are basically 300 listings with that name. So here you will see some Kajabi templates that you can actually actually go ahead and buy. So this should again be a pretty good keyword to actually rank for. Now you can also enter something more general, such as t-shirt, and then you will see, for example, a t-shirt for specifically the Game of Thrones or whatever. So if you actually search for the keyword, you will see the amount of average searches, although you can only do a certain amount of searches for free per month. So you can see that right here. You can do 53 searches. So now you will see some keywords right here. So these are some very popular ones. However, if we are just going to filter by all, you can see they have 273 keywords. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see the competition right here. For example, this one, Sabrina t-shirt, not sure what it is, but the competition is pretty good. Or a Wilco t-shirt. So then if you click on this keyword, you will then see the average searches. So basically this keyword right here is being searched for 84 times per month. So if you do click on a specific product, such as the Chicago shirt right here, then you can see the amount of searches, although again you can only do this a certain amount of times for free. So this one right here should be pretty good, since it has 289 average searches, 302 clicks, and an average CTR of 104% with pretty low competition. So now let's search for this on Etsy to see if the listings are professional. So now here, when I search for Chicago shirt, you will see a couple of Chicago shirts right here that you can then go and sell. So this should again be a pretty easy keyword to rank for, and it has a decent amount of search volume, and you will get some sales from this. Now you can just do print on demand, for example, if you want, or you can do also specifically for a specific player, such as this one for Dennis Rodman. So you can just get as specific as you want, and you can also find those right here. So you also see Chicago Blackhawks t-shirt right here, which also has pretty decent competition. Now the keywords you want to avoid are the ones with this red bar right here, which usually have around or more than 100,000 Etsy listings. So using this tool called ERank, keyword research becomes very easy. Now here you will also see the most sales on Etsy, so the shop that had the most sales on Etsy yesterday. So this one right here actually had the most amount of sales of all shops on Etsy in one day, and that's yesterday. So let's search for this shop on Etsy, and here you can also get some inspiration for what is actually doing very well. So if we search for this person right here, you can see that these are all listings by this person, so they are selling jewelry, and you can see they have over 600,000 reviews. So this is a very popular shop on Etsy, and if you open up their actual shop right here, you can see they have nearly 3 million sales. So then you can see what kind of works for them, so how they are doing it. So they are posting some close-ups, and they also have some pictures where it's actually being worn. So then you can try that out and see if it kind of works for you. So that's also what you can use ERank for. So you can see this listing right there is their best listing, and it's doing the best. So you can see that this one is actually a picture where somebody is wearing it. So most of these actually are, so then you know that that works very well. So basically just search for a general keyword right here, and then you will find more specific keywords where you can see the competition and the average amount of searches, and then you want to find the perfect balance where there are a good amount of searches and a very low amount of competition, so that you can actually rank. Now when you're just starting your Etsy shop, look for keywords with very little competition to build up some authority of your shop so that Etsy can actually trust your shop, and then you can actually start going for some more competitive keywords. So that's how to do keyword research for Etsy. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.